I'm recording.
Oh. Hi you guys. It's Trini on Trini Eats Oreo Mukbang. These are not just any Oreos. These are caramel coconut new Oreos. And I'm going in. Oh snap, look at that. There's like a critter came and took a bite. Well, guess what? Alright, take one too. Oh yeah, I can't forget my milk. There's the caramel, coconut cream in there, and no, hold on, you dunk it in. Now you guys, how do you guys like to eat your Oreos or sandwich cookies? In this case, it's an Oreo with the cream. Do you like to separate them like this? Let's sit this down and dunk your cookie in the milk. Or do you like to eat your cookie whole? Do tell me down the comments down below. But in the meantime, I'm getting back over here and eating this cookie. Watch, I'm put the cream. I'm gonna face it down this time, y'all. Why do I say y'all? When it's you guys. This, I'll tell y'all in a minute. Ooh. Let me double dip in there. Only double. Ooh, look at that milk. Double dipping is only okay if it's just you. Cause nobody wanna be dipping in your juice or milk or food. Tastes like coffee to me, y'all. That does. Now I'm gonna go in again. And this time, I'm gonna try 2. Two cookies going in for a swim, y'all. Boom. One went in first, then the other. Boom, boom, boom. Now they're both playing in the milk pool. Well, they're kicking it out. Alright, here we go. Makes room for my mouth because I got a small mouth, y'all. Small. A double Oreo. Double cream Oreo. And ta-da! Look at that, y'all. Now, I want to know something else. Because I want to get to know you guys. And I know you guys want to get to know me too. Which is good. Do you enjoy eating Oreos? Tell me down in the comments. What kind of Oreos have you tried? And let me go in real quick. Double this time, y'all. Ooh. You can kind of feel the milk seeping into the cookie, knowing that the, hold on. I really love that. The flavor between the Oreo cream and the milk. Oh gosh, y'all. Caramel coconut cookie. Now, now I want to tell you guys my opinion on these cookies. Just a little bit like a you can do better, or no, you can't do better. I see where they were coming from. But to be honest with you, I didn't really taste caramel because of the chocolate. Which made it taste like coffee, if you understand what I'm saying. But I do taste the coconut. So it might as well just call it a coffee coconut flavored Oreo. Hold on. There's a frog in my throat. Every time I talk, y'all, there's a frog that wants to jump in. Ribbit. What? Oh, you gotta get your own. See, I love food teasing you guys a lot. Food tease is always fun. Now it's time to close up, wrap it up. It's time to close up and wrap it up. It's time to close up and wrap this thing up. Just one Oreo left. That wasn't even my best. So, until next time, this is Trini on Trini Eats. Bye!